Now I might as well do a cold start. Minus 12 Celsius outside right now. Car has not been plugged. Haven't been started either before I do this video. The car is a 97. Has the 3.1 3100 V6 in it. The reason I did a quick shot of the inside is because it's kind of cold out and there's vehicles around the car outside, and I was supposed to do one this summer but haven't got the chance to do so. But at least there's one now of the Monte Carlo, so I don't know if you can see. I showed it earlier, but the mileage is 935 kilometers. 178,935 kilometers. I'll be seeing you later.